Hi everyone, Miss Maxwell here. I'm going to review with you how to place shapes on your Jamboard and also how to create a text box. So you'll notice on the left are all the tools that Jamboard gives you. You're going to go down to this one that says circle, and if you click on this tiny triangle right here, it will open up to show you different shapes. So you may choose either a square or a bar, they call it, or a rectangle, to assign different areas to our rabbit's cage. So for example, if I chose square, and you would click on that. And then I'm going to come here, and let's say, for example, I would like to draw a square with an area of 3 by 3. So I'm going to start right here. And then I'm going to draw my square. Now the other part of your assignment is you need to label what each area will be used for. So you are going to go down to where it says text box, and you're going to click on that. And let's say this will be where the rabbit will play. So you are going to, if you click in that shape, your text box is right there. You'll notice it has those blue lines around there. And I'm going to write rabbit exercise area. And then I would continue on with all of the other areas that are required in the project directions. If you're not sure what those are, you can always go back to the group project folder and take a look at the requirements. Also, if you're not sure what to do, you could post a question in our discussion board and either myself or a classmate can help you. And also don't forget to use your group members. Thank you.